But you know, you got a little crunch in it, a little spice because you got jalapeno, but then you got your peppers and your onions, like they meet in the middle. You're like, oh, I like that. Hey y'all, I am Tabitha Brown, and today what we making? Some good old vegan raw tacos. Well, what you might ask? Honey, some good old pecans with a little bit of spice. I think you might like it. I sure do. So your first step is we have to soak them in a little bit of water and liquid aminos. And then you let the pecans sit and soak for about 3 hours. Honey, go wash some clothes or something. Watch the kids or do something. Pick up a couple people. I don't know what you need to do, but 3 hours. I chose this dish for several reasons. One, I always know if you eat raw, it's very healthy for you, but I also need delicious, so it's one and the same. And, honey, it don't get hot in the kitchen. You get it done real quick, nothing on, it ain't hot, you ain't sweating, honey, and everything is good. I was not always vegan. It's coming up on 2 years in August. But I started the vegan journey because I was sick. I was sick for 1 year and 7 months, and I decided to take a 30-day vegan challenge and started feeling better. And it literally changed my life, so it was my decision, like this is for me. But I always tell anybody, do what feels right for you, okay? But it's something you wanna try, honey, try it for 30 days. It won't hurt you, honey, it might actually help you. Now, the mango, because we need a little sweetness with all the spice, right? Then if you want to, because this is for you, you slice the rest of that little pieces off. Cut it diagonal, and then across, like cubes. Now make sure when you cut the mango, you don't go all the way through, because it's 2 skins, the mango and yours. We don't wanna cut either one of them, all right? So just right above the skin, okay? Let's be safe. Take the knife, go right under it. Honey, look, ain't it cute? Very good. You got cute little mango cubes for your good old taco. Don't get no better than that. So I normally eat this dish, you know, the summertime because it's hot and you don't have to cook anything. It's great when you can set it up. Everybody can come over and it's like a little taco bowl, right? Everybody come over and fix their own little lettuce wrap and you ain't got to do nothing but just watch everybody like, y'all like that, don't you? I know I did it. I came up with it all by myself. Yeah, it's very good. It's impressive. But them pecans, it's the mind trick. Honey, you be like, now, am I eating meat or am I eating a pecan? Oh, it's a pecan. Yeah, with a little mushroom in it. No, it's meat. No, it's a pecan, because it's vegan. Very good. So my tips, if you are thinking about starting a plant-based diet, if you are curious about it, first and foremost, don't be so hard on yourself. Honey, don't take it so serious. It's okay, relax, all right? Then, what are your favorite foods that you like to eat? Figure out how to make those so you don't go into the, oh my God, I need it, I miss it type of thing, right? If you come up with some of your best recipes, non-vegan, then make them vegan. It makes things so much easier. There's so many options out there now, but I say take it slow, don't be hard on yourself, and enjoy it. Honey, this just make you feel like you are doing something good in the world. Honey, take a good old bite. Sometimes it's so good you gotta look at it. You did that? I'll wait. Oh, you ain't making it yet? Oh, that's all right. Go ahead at your leisure.